Good morning, you guys. Here at All American Truck and Auto Parts. We just got this one in. It's a Butte 02 Denali 6.0 motor. Let me pop this open already for you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Wait for that video for you guys to check it out running. We will get it running. So 02 Denali. Go to our website, you guys, 559 Parts. Again, 559parts.com. 559parts.com. Call us, 559-264-3673. We're in Fresno, California. All American Truck and All Parts. That phone number again, 559-264-3673. Let's check out this interior. We'll start with the back. Nice seats back here. 559parts.com, you guys. Check us out, 559parts.com. Phone number again is 559-264-3673. 559-264-3673. Let me go around this side for you guys to check it out on the front end. Look at that wood grain. Nice. That is beautiful wood grain. Look at that. That's a beautiful color. Look at that. So nice. So nice. Once again, website is 559parts.com. 559parts.com. Phone number again, 559-264-3673, guys. Call us, 559-264-3673. All American Truck and Auto Parts. Website, again, 559parts.com. You could find us on Facebook, All American Truck and Auto Parts. Make sure you guys give us a like, follow. Follow us at our Instagram, at 559parts, at 559parts. You could all make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel, All American Truck and Auto Parts. You guys hit that like, share these videos so you guys can let family and friends know what we are getting in. We're not playing around. These parts will fly off of this beauty. You guys want a 6.0? Here it is, 6.0, and it will go. Believe me. This thing will go quick. All right, you guys, take care.